the request of the United States government of NASA. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. Our world is coming to an end. NASA has discovered the largest black hole named Phoenix A. This black hole is bigger than Ton 618. It is expected this black hole will engulf the solar system and planet Earth within the next 25 hours. There is nothing we can stop and or escape from this phenomenon event. Go into panic mode if you want. Gather friends, family, pets and children and prepare for the end.